So hello, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to cover a frequently asked question in the interviews. So this question is basically related to Java. So basically this question is that how many objects are created when you are creating a string using new keyword? So there are two sub questions, that how many objects are created, and variable that you are creating, it will refer to which object. So rather than giving you a very shortcut answer, I would like to give you detailed explanation. So let's get started. So basically in Java, you can create string using two ways. One is using string literal and another is using new keyword. So here that screen that I'm showing you, it is using a string literal. So basically the developer who developed this Java, who is also known as Dr. Java, James Gosling. So so his main reason behind this string literal was to make it more memory efficient. Suppose you are creating a string using string s is equal to test. So it will first check that, okay, if any test string is already created in the memory, if it is already created, it will not create new one. It will just refer this variable to that already created instance. Okay. So if you are creating string like this, it means you are creating it using string literal. And see, if you can see here, string s is equal to welcome, string s2 is equal to welcome. And second time when you are creating a string, when you are writing it like this, it will not create a new instant. It will simply refer to the old one that is already created there. So basically whenever you are creating the string s is equal to test, it means that it will store it in special memory location that is known as string constant pool. So whenever you are creating a string using string s is equal to test, so it will be stored in string constant pool memory location. So let's see what we have. Now the second way of creating a string is using new keyword, but in Java rarely we use this new keyword to create a string. But whenever you are creating a string using new keyword, so first thing you have to remember is that it is going to create two objects, one in non pool and another is string constant pool. Okay, so see here the first point, string s is equal to new string welcome. So it creates two objects and one reference variable, that is s. Okay, so if you see b point, that object will be created in both one non-pool heap memory and string constant pool. String constant pool is where string literal is created. Okay, so two objects will be created in both non-pool and string constant pool. Okay, so third point, this variable s will refer to the object in the non-pool. Because you are using the new keyword, even if it is creating the objects in both memory locations, it is going to refer to the non-pool. Okay, so now let's again come back to this question. Now we have clarity that we can create a string using two ways. One is using new keyword, one is simply with string literal. And we have all the clarity that where it is getting stored and how many objects are creating. So now we have answer of all the sub questions. So how many objects will be created when you are creating string using new keyword? So two objects will be created in both non pool and string constant pool location. Okay, so variable s will be referred to non pool memory location because you are using the new keyword. So that's why the variable s will be referred to non pool location, even though objects are created in both memory locations. Okay, so that's the answer of this question that is frequently asked in the interview. So I hope you like this video. So please share if you like it. Thank you.